Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is an online styling service. You get assigned a stylist, you tell them your likes, your dislikes, you send them a $20 fee, and they'll curate a box of 5 items for you to try on at home, keep what you want, send back what you don't. That $20 will get applied to whatever you decide to keep in that fix. If you don't keep anything, unfortunately, you lose that $20. Many years ago, I was offered the Style Pass. The Style Pass is, I believe, $49 a year, and I get unlimited fixes, free shipping both ways, and even if you didn't have the Style Pass, shipping is free both ways. And on top of that, that $49 does also get applied to anything I keep, so I have no problem spending that each year. So my stylist is actually also my friend Shannon. So this fix, and she's given me some helpful hints as the Stitch Fix does, save items to your wish list. So right now you can go into the app, and if there's anything you like, you can save it to your wish list. And then if your stylist sees those items, she can pick them from your wish list and send them to you. I'm also on the Reddit quite often because I also follow it for Orange Theory. If those that don't know, I'm a super gym enthusiast for Orange Theory. I go on the Reddit app every night to check what the next day's workout. So while I'm there, I also go on the 2 different Stitch Fix forums and usually check out what they have to say. And one stylist was saying, not only save it to your saved items list, but she goes, but sometimes I don't have insight to those, but I have insight to if they're in your cart. So I've been doing those as well too. I've been adding my items to my cart. So I also do the thumbs up, thumbs down game on the app every single day. And if you don't know it, it's just basically a way to let them know if something is your style or not your style. So I am like the ideal Stitch Fix client. I am giving them all the information they could possibly need to style me and give me things that I might like. In this fix, I got a Stitch Fix preview. My friend Shannon said I actually never saw your preview. So it was obviously all AI generated. And I'm gonna assume it was all AI generated because every single item on there was from my saved items list. So naturally, because it was from my saved items list, I was able to pick all 5. When I get the note from here, my stylist never signed it. All right, I asked her, and she's like, I don't think I actually saw your fix. And when you go into the app, it looks like it says styling partner. So it doesn't say who styled my fix. So I am convinced that this was completely AI generated and that no stylist ever actually even touched this fix because I did pick at all 5 items from my preview. So let's discuss what I'm trying on right now. First up is this Michael Stars Jordan rib dress in dark purple, size extra small, and it's on sale for $53.97, which is an excellent price for Michael Stars. If any of you are familiar with Michael Stars, they produce this style dress. I'll call it style dress. It's a rib knit. Come closer to seeing rib. They're Bodycon, so if you're not a Bodycon person, you're not going to like this. And that they'll do it in different styles. So you'll see in a minute. They have ones that are sleeveless, tank style, high neck, cutouts, short sleeve, long sleeves, etc. So, but it's all this same rib fabric. They're all Bodycon and they all have ruching. That's what they all have in common. I have one black tank style dress from Michael Stars. That's the only one I own. No, take that back. I have another one. It's more like a tennis dress, the other one. The other one is a rib style and it's flow, not Bodycon, and it's striped. So I have 2 Michael Stars dresses. Both of them I tend to wear more casually versus dressed up. The black one I could wear dressed up, but I really like it because I can wear it dressed up or I could throw it on a pair of tennis shoes and make it sporty. So I do like these dresses because I think they tend to fit me well and that ruching hides a myriad of flaws. So come back here. All right, I do have a little tummy, not huge, but it's a little tummy. But I think this ruching here, if I put it here, it kind of covers it up. Like I said, it is Bodycon style. It comes about 1.5 inches above my knees. Obviously, I can pull it down, but then you kind of see my tummy more. So I keep it up to have more ruching there to hide that tummy. And I'm okay with the shorter skirt. This one has long sleeves and it's in this purple color. Now, I'm not quite sure the way it's coming across on camera, but I can tell you when I was looking at the app and seeing this, I wasn't sure I was gonna like this color or not, because on the app, it almost looked like a fluorescent purple, right? I get it in and it's a nice purple. It's a magenta-y purple, but it's not like crazy and wild purple. So because it's on sale, because I don't own any dress in this color, because it can be dressed up or dressed down, because it's long sleeve and not tank style like my other two ones are, I'm gonna keep this one. $53.97, long sleeves, comfortable. I like this style on me. Unlike the loft dress that I tried on, which was a straight style, even though this is tighter, I think this is more flattering for my tummy and my hips than that long tank style. So if you haven't seen that video yet, just letting you know that that loft dress is going back. I watched the footage, took a picture of myself in the mirror. I'm like, oh, this is awful. So even though it was a gorgeous dress that had, it was crocheted, it was gorgeous, it just did nothing for my body, unfortunately. And I just think this style is more flattering on me. All right, give me a minute and I'm gonna come up with the next Michael Stars dress. Next up are these earrings. I'm gonna show them right here, these little hoop earrings, silver hoop earrings by Ralph Lauren Jewelry. They're obviously in silver and they're $28. And yes, these were on my wish list. I have them in my ear so you can see what size they are. They were something I want. I didn't own any small hoop earrings. I own really big hoop earrings in silver. And then I have these teeny tiny little Huggies I got from Wantable, which pissed me off. And the Huggies were the same price as these pretty much. So these are a keeper. Again, I was kind of looking for just a basic silver earring. And when I saw them pop up on the app, I saved it. And like I said, when I do these things, I give these styling companies, whether it be Wantable, Stitch Fix, like I go through that Wantable stream like no one's business. I give a thumbs up and go thumbs down, everything. So nothing really gets left unnoticed or untouched by me. So there really is no excuse for these companies to not know what my style is. I mean, I'm giving them tons of choices. Unlike where, say, Front Door Fashion, I kind of have to describe my style because they don't have any kind of app to do something like that. And they still knock it out of the park. So, next up is this Michael Stars dress. So this is the tank style dress. Like I said, I already own a black tank style dress like this, but this one has a high neck, whereas the other one has like a scoop neck, I believe, scoop or crew. This one also has ruching down the front of it, okay? And not on the sides. Again, hides that tummy area. I can lift it up a little bit and bunch it up so you don't see it. Again, I don't mind the length. I think this is a great dress. I did want to try this style on. It's $108, so not on sale. That is the typical price of a Michael Stars dress. Do I need this dress? Absolutely not. So I have the tank style dress already in black. I have a black maxi too, which obviously is nothing like this. And my friend Shannon got from a thrift store, new with tags, a White House black market dress. It's not quite a bodycon, but it's quite fitted. And it has like the high neck and it has this sleeveless. So it's kind of like the same silhouette as this. I don't need another black dress. I never go anywhere. I highly recommend this dress. I think this is very flattering on me. But no, I'm going to be returning this dress. I don't need to spend $108 on this. So I will keep the purple one, mainly because it's on sale and it's something I don't own already. And I will keep the small hoop earrings. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the next item. Okay, a couple things I forgot to tell you. Both the Michael Stars dresses are 48% cotton, 48% modal, and 4% spandex. So, and the material is super soft on the Michael Stars. I do like Michael Stars, and I do think these dresses are worth it at full price, but obviously I prefer to get them on sale. And the reason why is the material, the quality of it, and the thoughtful design. You know, they really fit me well, and I think it's because of the thoughtful design that they put into it. The earrings. So that was the first thing I want to tell you is the material of the dresses. The earrings. Stitch Fix sent them to me in their little Ziploc bag, but not on the little cardboard container. right? They had the cardboard in there, but they weren't attached to it, which means to me, somebody tried them on before me and just threw them back in the bag and sent them back, and that's the way they sent them to me. So that kind of irked me. So obviously I had to clean them off before I used them, but I think Stitch Fix can do better, and like their warehouse should be checking to make sure items are put back to where they're new, or at least new-like, and they should have put that back on the cardboard versus sending me loose in the Ziploc pouch. But that won't prevent me from keeping them because they are exactly what I was looking for. All right, next two items. So next up, I have this LNA chili rib short sleeve knit cardigan. When I put this on my list, and it saved it, when I hear knit cardigan, I'm thinking it's a sweater. This is the thinnest t-shirt, rib t-shirt material I think I've ever seen in my life. This is thinner than the Michael Stars top. This is a rib material. You can see it's a little bit like lettuce around the sleeves, like that. It has a very low plunging V, a little bit too low to my liking. It's a little bit too tight across the bust. It is a crop style, and it has these cute little pearl buttons. And again, remember, I thought this was sweater. This is the thinnest t-shirt. This is 95% rayon, 5% spandex. They have the nerve to be charging $95 for this thing. This is going back. Absolutely. $95 for this. Now, you guys have watched, if you've watched me, you know I purchase Ever Eve, and their stuff is pricey. And I have LNA items too. Like, I have LNA tanks in their $60 range, but they're thick, they're double lined, they're like, you know, suck you in, you know. They're nuts. They're off their rocker. This is $30 at most. Rayon, spandex, and these, you know, this is insanity. Comparing this quality, what this is, to the Michael Stars dress at full price is just craziness. This is almost the same price. The Michael Stars dress is $108. This is $95. Nowhere near the quality of material that one is. This is ridiculous. So this is going back, no question about it. Plus, like when I thought it said knit, I'm thinking a sweater. Okay, next up are these pants by Sanctuary. Most of you know, Sanctuary is definitely a brand I like. These are the Palmer Echo Cargo Pant in black, size 0, $129. Okay, like the fit of them, but they weren't what I was looking for. I am looking for a black pant, but I want them to be more wide leg and trouser-like, but not so much business trouser. I want to be able to wear them with a sneaker, right, and make it look street-wise. I have a lot of cargo pants already. I'm trying to stop buying cargo pants. I know everything's cargo now, and it's kind of hard. Will I buy these pants in a cargo? Yes, I would, but I prefer them not to be cargo with the wide leg trousers. So these are, they're calling these a straight leg. I would call these a slim straight. They're pretty, you know, narrow and tight on my calves. They're not too tight because there's plenty of stretch in these to not make them uncomfortable. These are pretty much similar to a pair that I've already gotten rid of that were by Blank NYC that I got at Marshall's years ago. So there's no reason why I would like repurchase the same thing I got rid of. Another thing I don't like about these have an elasticized waist. I think that's kind of weird. Although I have to say, they don't look bad and you really don't notice it. So yeah, here's the back of them. There are, yes, working pockets in the back. And yeah, no flap or anything on these, and side pockets here in the front, and obviously the cargo here on the side. $129, I don't need these can go back. Well, that is my fix. So what do you think? I am a little bit disappointed. They seem to be going away from the personal notes too, even when I do pick out my whole box myself. I'm okay with the dress on sale, and I'm okay with those silver earrings. They fill in a need in my wardrobe, but everything else is going back. Thank you again for returning subscribers. Appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm free. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me that thumbs up. And take care until next time.